Occupational English Test. Dentistry Roll Card. Download the PDF and practice and succeed. OET professional members access hundreds of videos and PDF files on this channel. Join the OET international community and become a member today for a small fee. Let us help you pass the test. We know how much it means to you, and we are happy to have helped thousands succeed. To get a good score in the OET exam, you should 1. Introduce yourself appropriately. 2. Echo the patient. 3. Check understanding. 4. Listen carefully. 5. Signpost. 6. Reassure the patient. 7. Explain well. 8. Check feelings. 9. Show empathy. 10. Summarize. 11. Use the patient's name. 12. Ask what the patient knows about their condition. 13. Ask what patient needs to know going forward. 14. Use idiomatic language. You have 3 minutes to prepare in the exam. You can make notes. You will have the card during the exam. It is not essential to complete the entire roll card in the 5-minute speaking time, but it is advisable to complete the tasks in order. Dentist. Suburban dental practice. This patient has presented for a routine exam. You noticed from records that no bite wing radiographs have been taken, but that posterior restorations are present. After the necessary radiographs have been developed, you find secondary caries under 2 old restorations, mesoocclusal lower left 6 and disto-occlusal upper right 5. The teeth have no symptoms as yet. Describe what you have found on the X-ray pictures. Explain why these radiographs are useful as a diagnostic technique. Find out the patient's attitude towards treatment. Persuade the patient that the 2 fillings must be replaced, otherwise there will be consequences, e.g., pulpitis, pain, possible extraction or root canal therapy, etc. Find out if the cost of the possible treatments is an issue for the patient, i.e., 2 fillings would cost approximately $300, root canal therapy approximately $1,000 per tooth. Emphasize to the patient of the importance of the treatment. You do not see the patient roll card in the exam. Patient. Suburban dental practice. You are currently unemployed and have presented for a routine dental exam. You have had fillings in the past. As part of the examination, the dentist has taken X-rays of your back teeth and now informs you that 2 fillings require replacement. After the dentist's findings, ask why X-ray pictures were necessary as you worry about the radiation they cause. When asked, explain that you don't want to have 2 fillings replaced if they are not causing you any problems. What will happen if you do not replace the fillings? Explain that you feel the recommended treatment is unnecessary. Express your concern about the cost, particularly as you are not working. Reluctantly agree with the dentist. Download the PDF file from the video description and practice with a partner. OET professional members access hundreds of videos and downloadable PDFs for a very small fee. Join today and pass your test. Please like the video. It only takes a click and it helps us make more videos for you.